Here's a fun little problem that we can do on the slide rule. This one is going to be involving exponents. And remember, the way we look those up is going to be on those LL scales. So let's start by simplifying. So these three will turn into 3 times 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 5. Now let's figure out 3 to the power of 5. So on LL3, I'm going to find 3. I'll set the hairline. Then I'll move the left index over to the hairline. And the exponent is 5. So on that C scale, I'm going to slide over until I get all the way to 5. And if I look down on LL3, that'll give me my answer of 243. So now this is 3 times 3 to the power of x equals 243. Now we want to get 3x by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. So it'll end up looking like that. And now we have 3 to the power of x equals, let's go ahead and do that division. So let's flip over to the C and D scales, make sure those are lined up, and I want to find 243 right there on the D scale. And then if I slide 3, we'll divide by 3 up on the D scale, and I'll slide over to the right index, and that'll give me 81. So this comes out to 81. Now let's figure out 3 to the power of what gets us to 81, and we can use those scales on the bottom. I'll flip back over, and on LL3, I want to find 3 one more time. Let's set the left index to the hairline, and on that same scale of LL3, I want to find 81. 81. And if we look up on C, that'll give us our exponent of 4. So x equals 4. And that's how you solve that problem.